In this video, I will show you how to simply change your time zone on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Click on your start menu right here. Then you want to make sure you click on settings right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to time and language right here. Then go ahead and click on time zone. Then here you go, you have your time zone right here. Then here you want to, so here we go, you have your default time zone right here. Now for you to change your PC time zone, you want to make sure you turn off automatically right here. Then here we go, then you can simply click on time zone right here. Once you click on time zone, you have all available time zone right here. From the options right here, go ahead and select your time zone and then you are done. Once you select your time zone, you can simply come back right here and then turn on the automatic and you are done. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply change your time zone on your Windows PC. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.